Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the earlier session, we had looked into the text widget in TK Inter. And in today's session, let's see one other code example with the text widget in TK Inter. In today's session, let's see how we can add an image into the text widget, how we can add the scroll bar to the text widget, and how we can format different sections of the text in the text widget differently. So initially, let me have my frame. I want the text and the scroll bar to be placed in my frame widget. So initially I'm creating my frame widget and I'm packing it onto the screen. Then I have my text 1, which is nothing but a text widget which is placed in the frame. It has got the height of 40, width of 50 and wrap equal to word. I'm wrapping the text based on words. Means half a word in first line, other half word in second line will not happen if we give wrap equal to word. Now I want to place my image into the text widget. So let me say photo 1 equal to photo image. This is the function which takes the parameter file, that is the directory where the image file is stored. Since it is placed in the default directory, I'm just giving the image file name, that is apple1.png. So my photo 1 will have apple1.png file present in it. Now I want to insert this photo into my text widget. So let me say text1 is the text widget dot image underscore create. So when I give image underscore create, I can add the photo to the image parameter so that the photo adds into the text widget. So the function for this is image underscore create. Now let me add a scroll bar to the text widget. So let me place it on the frame again. Let me give the orientation as vertical and command equal to text1.y view because it is the vertical view. Then I'm packing my scroll with side equal to right and fill equal to y. Then I'm giving text1.configure y scroll command equal to scroll.set. So this we have seen in the previous session how to attach the scroll bar to the text widget. Now I'm having three tags. One is heading, subheading, matter, and I'm configuring the tags by saying text1.tag underscore configure. The first one is having a font equal to Arial 12 bold. Subheading is having the font equal to Verdana 20 bold italic and foreground color as red. And the third one is matter, which is having foreground color as black and font as Helvetica and 12. So these are the three tags which I'm adding into my text file. These are the three tags which I'm using for the text in the text file. Now let me insert my text. The first one is proverb for the day and it is having the font equal to heading. So the proverb for the day will appear in Arial 12 and bold. Then I'm inserting the text an apple a day keeps the doctor away and it is having the font equal to subheading. So it will take Verdana 20 bold italic and foreground color as red. Then I'm having the text an apple a day keeps the doctor away is a common English language proverb. So some definition for the proverb I'm having in proverb 1. Now I'm inserting this proverb 1 in the text widget and the tag which I'm using is matter. So it is Helvetica and 12. Then I'm packing my text 1 onto the frame and then I'm calling my main event loop. So after doing this, if I run the code, I get the image, that is apple1.png. Then I'm having proverb for the day. So sorry, proverb for the day. So this is proverb for the day. It is having Arial and it is in bold and size is 12. Then I'm having an apple a day keeps the doctor away. It's in red because I given foreground color as red. Then I'm having the definition for the proverb. An apple a day keeps the doctor away is a common English language proverb that appeared in the 19th century. So this is the definition for the proverb, and it is in Helvetica and 12. And we are having a scroll bar also attached to it. So if the text is more, then you can see the scroll bar which is occurring over here. So in this session, we saw how we can add a PNG file into the text widget, add a scroll bar to the text widget. We saw how we can add a scroll bar to the text widget, and the different sections of the text. We have formatted it differently with different font sizes, with different colors, with different font types. So with bold, italic or underline, so we can format the different text differently with the help of tags. So I have given tag underscore configure. Heading is one of my tag. Subheading is another tag, and matter is another tag. And I'm using these tags for different sections of the text. While inserting the text, I'm using the tag name as well. So it will have the formatting as per the tag name which we have specified. So hope so friends, it was clear for you how we added an image with image underscore create, added a scroll bar, then we had tag configuration, then we inserted the text with those tag configurations, and then we called the main event loop. So this is that's it for this particular session. Hope so friends, it was clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button, and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.